Try this little experiment with me now. What I want you to do is to bring your full focused attention into the here and now. So you're totally here with me now. Are you absolutely here with me now? Totally here. Totally in this moment. Are you here? What's wrong now, this second? What's wrong now? Bit thirsty? Problem solved? No, there's nothing wrong now. I'm all right, everything's okay. Yeah. Even with what's going on in the world, yeah, I'm all right now, this moment. I'm okay. I can deal with this. You can always do it now, can't you? I'm fine. Nothing missing now. Don't want anything now. I'm all right. Now, this is the peril of past thinking, happy past thinking. That might give a little lift, happy memories. But be careful, because here's what can happen if we're not very careful. Think about now, can you? Think about happy times. It was all wonderful back then. It was all wonderful back then. Quite significant with this lockdown and the changes going on now. Life's changed. We've lost a lot. We start recalling about how wonderful it was back then, and now we're not okay anymore. Something's missing. Loss. Now, we've already shown you that there's nothing missing. Everything is fine. You're already okay, everything's fine right now. But we start recalling wonderful times. There's that feeling. Now, don't believe me. Check this, test this for yourself. Go home and dig out those old photographs and see how awful they make you feel. And if that doesn't work, you can always try the CD collection. Just watch out for that. Be careful. I mean, I've done a lot of work over the years with people with all sorts of mental health issues and particularly depression and anxiety. But an awful lot of people I've worked with depression are depressed because they're living in a happy past. So watch out for that. Be careful.